Isn't that a good idea? My baby?
Y'all, this shit is terrifying.
Present day, my hair. Oh, the inside's wet. Yeah, get in there.
I'm gonna be in that, girl.
I gotta redo this. Let's just put it this way. A lot of you are like, Hannah, you still have wigs. Do something with them. So you get what you want. Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Woo! Yeah. You wanna try this on first?
Those are hot.
Yeah. What do you think?
Oh my god! Who is she?
We don't know her! I had this awesome idea of turning one of my wigs into essentially what my hair will look like when it grows out. Like, give me a peek into the future, right? Isn't that a good idea? My baby? You're in there zoned in licking the plate.
I'm just listening. Mindlessly.
I got my natural browns. I got my bleach. Let's take a peek into the future. Woo! We have to map out where my bleach spot is going. In the future, I have bangs. I do want a little bang in it. Yeah, right here. All right. Bam. And I have a ton of bleach left. Ew. Why can't my hair be longer now? The only way that this could go wrong is if this human hair wig is a lie. But we carry on. Now I'm using a mixture of 7NB and 6NB from Kenra Color. It feels like I don't really have enough of either of them, so I figured why not put them together. From my years of dyeing wigs, I have learned that I should actually start from the top in case I run out of supplies. Because I don't have endless supplies. So, starting from the top. Unfortunately, this one is just the 7. So some sets might be a little lighter, but it'll be good. It'll be good. It'll be fine. My camera died during that one, but my masterpiece is almost done. Look at this! Oh my goodness, y'all, for a second I was kind of scared because that bleach was in there for a long time. Y'all, we are good, and look at the roots are all filled in as well. I am so proud of this root smudge. Root smudge is difficult work. Now let's dry this thing. Lightest hair dryer you will ever find in your life. I know. I know. I feel like you can really see the spots that are just the 7 versus the 6 and the 7. But you know what? It adds dimension. Okay, before I go too crazy, I was already feeling like these bangs were a little too thick. So let's fix that. It fits at where you want it to be, but it's a little too thick. I'm gonna take them in sections and brush them straight up. Where the bottom falls, you're going to point cut. I'm just gonna like take out some of that bulk, y'all. Perfect. Bam. And now I'm just going to do some loose curls. Give us your POV, please.
Y'all, this shit is terrifying.
How's it look from there?
Terrifying. Yeah, terrifying. Terrifyingly good. Don't get it twisted.
That's right. Check it out. Woo! Oh, I'm so proud of this. I'm not gonna lie. Like, this looks so good. I guess what's next is putting it on and really seeing what I could look like in a couple years. Listen, your hair grows like a ½ an inch a month, so that's a lie. No, don't. But this will give me hope. Here's the present day my hair. One year, a little over 1 year of growing out a shaved head. Oh, the inside's wet.
Do I look?
No. Who knows if I'll be a bang person or not in the future, but I think this is pretty vibey for now. Okay, you can look.
I'm scared. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, damn! Oh my god. Whoa. Who is she?
You don't know her.
What's her name? Jessica.
Jessica! Is it a look? I don't know if I'll do bangs in a couple of years, but this hair is cool.
Wow.
Okay, but is this really weird or what?
It's really weird.
Y'all, let me know what you think of this wig in the comments down below. Let me know if you think I should keep my hair these colors as well. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!